There are three primary body types for women and men: the ectomorph, the mesomorph, and the endomorph. The ectomorph is a hard gainer, somebody who has a harder time gaining weight. A mesomorph is one who gains weight easily, loses weight easily, and an endomorph is one who has a hard time losing weight and gains it very readily. Ectomorph body type, long, lean figures that have a hard time gaining weight, characterized by a high metabolism and having a very challenging time building muscle of any sort of type to their body. The mesomorph body type is a more athletic body type, classified by shoulders that are slightly broader than the hips in some cases. They have a functioning metabolism that is very efficient. Mesomorphs can gain weight very easily, but they can also lose weight very easily if they are focused and on point. Endomorphs are characterized by a more rounder body type shape, slower metabolism, they gain weight very easily, and it is very hard for endomorphs to lose weight. They tend to be a little bit thicker boned. Training for your body type is so important because there are techniques that you can employ that will help you. Check out the training plans I have for the different body types. You can do them at home or in the gym. Very straightforward, excellent guides to help you with your goals.